If you like our recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Simply Delicious. I hope everyone is doing fine. Today I am here with a Goan recipe, and that is chicken green masala curry. So let's not wait and begin with the ingredients. So the ingredients I have taken is 1 kg chicken on bones, 2 inch ginger, 2 inch cinnamon, few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon peppercorn, 3 Kashmiri chillies, 3 green chillies, a handful of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 6 cloves of garlic, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 bay leaves, 10 cloves, coconut oil, 2 teaspoon of lemon juice, or you can use 2 teaspoon of tamarind paste, 2 medium sized onions sliced, and 1 big sized tomato chopped, and water. So first we will prepare the green masala paste. For that, in a mixer jar, add 2 green chillies, coriander leaves, pepper, cloves, ginger, cumin, cinnamon, turmeric powder, garlic, and lemon juice. Add little water and grind it into fine paste. Next, we will marinate the chicken with the ground green masala paste. Add salt to taste and the green masala. Mix it well, marinate and keep it for 15 to 30 minutes. And whatever the masala which remains in the mixer jar, we'll add little water and reserve it to add in the gravy. Next, heat a pan, add coconut oil. Into it, add Kashmiri chillies, bay leaves, curry leaves, and saute it for a few seconds. Next, add onions and saute the onions till it's translucent. Our onions are well sauteed. Next, add green chillies and tomatoes and saute the tomatoes till they are well cooked. As you can see, our tomatoes are well cooked. Next, add the marinated chicken. Mix it well and saute the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add the reserved masala water which we had kept earlier. Mix it well together. Add salt to taste. Just remember, we had already marinated the chicken with salt. Mix it well, cover it and cook it on a medium flame till the chicken is well cooked. As you can see, our chicken is well cooked and our curry looks perfect. And our Goan Green Masala Chicken curry is all ready to serve. If you want, you can add potatoes in this curry as well. You can have this curry with boiled rice or white rice or pav or even chapati. Do try this recipe at home and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. If you like our recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more delicious recipes. Thank you.